Brick House is a private residence set within the dense urban fabric of Pune. Built on a compact 4,500 square feet footprint and surrounded by closely packed neighboring buildings, the project responds to tight spatial conditions and a demanding climate through an inward-looking, climate-responsive design. Rooted in a contemporary reinterpretation of traditional Indian principles, the house combines a restrained material palette with passive strategies suited to urban living. Privacy and daylight were the primary challenges. With limited external views and adjacent structures on all sides, the design grows vertically across 4 levels. Between these stacked volumes, a series of micro-courtyards act as light wells and thermal buffers. These voids bring daylight deep into the interior while enabling cross-ventilation and stack-effect cooling, significantly reducing reliance on mechanical systems. Each level engages differently with light, proportion, and material, creating a layered spatial experience that unfolds as one moves through the house. Privacy and daylight were the primary challenges. With limited external views and adjacent structures on all sides, the design grows vertically across 4 levels. Between these stacked volumes, a series of micro-courtyards act as light wells and thermal buffers. These voids bring daylight deep into the interior while enabling cross-ventilation and stack-effect cooling, significantly reducing reliance on mechanical systems. Each level engages differently with light, proportion, and material, creating a layered spatial experience that unfolds as one moves through the house. The material palette is minimal and honest: exposed concrete, natural cement tiles, mild steel elements, and raw, unplastered brick. This restraint emphasizes texture and craft over ornamentation. Light becomes the primary decorative element, animating surfaces throughout the day as it moves across the interiors. Spatially, the house is intentionally introverted. Public and private areas are choreographed around courtyards that visually and functionally connect different floors. Corridors, rooms, and stair landings overlap through layered sightlines, multiplying the perception of space and fostering subtle connections between inhabitants across levels. key spatial moment is the main staircase in raw mild steel, conceived as a sculptural, floating element set against the backdrop of the brick Jali. As daylight filters through the screen, the stair's silhouette shifts throughout the day, becoming a quiet marker of time and movement within the house. Light is treated as a poetic medium. Through brick jalis, skylights and courtyards, sunlight enters in a diffused, dappled manner that changes with the seasons. Sun paths were carefully studied to maintain comfort year-round. In summer, the jalis temper heat gain. In winter, they admit gentle warmth. The vertical voids enhance passive cooling, drawing warm air upward and allowing fresh air to circulate naturally. With external views largely obstructed, the design turns inward to create a serene internal world. The house becomes an urban oasis defined by tactile materials, filtered light, and soft airflow through porous surfaces. Brick House demonstrates how traditional materials and spatial principles can be reinterpreted to meet contemporary needs. By celebrating brick not only as a material, but as an architectural language, the project shows that thoughtful restraint and climatic responsiveness can produce a home that is sustainable, sensory, and deeply connected to light and space.